It's Monday. This is Dominique's after school lunch. I just made her cheese and lettuce, mayo mustard on sourdough, grapes, and then these pickles are really good. They're Grillo pickles. And then this tangerine LaCroix. I actually prefer the plain one, but I just wanted to try this flavor. It's okay.
Hello.
What are you watching?
Beastars. It is pretty good.
The animal heads freak me out. It's not like animal bodies to match. It's like on human bodies. It's like those the Walmart the Walmart masks.
Oh yeah, you mean like the ones on like the shelves for Halloween?
Hey guys, it's Monday. I just parked. I'm going into Ulta to buy the rest of my next giveaway. So everything's gonna have like a green theme. I wanted to say hello to my friend Scotty. He's one of my best friends and he got a job that in my opinion is very exciting and adventurous. He's gonna be traveling, so he's leaving this week. So I just wanted to wish him good luck and I hope he likes his new job. It's like 200 degrees. So I left Ulta. I'm in the downtown Summerlin outdoor mall thing. I did get a couple things for the next giveaway and a couple things for myself. Oh, I wanted to say thank you to anyone who's been watching me since I started uploading again. Prior to this last month or so, I haven't uploaded in like 9 months, and thank you for the support. And there's a lot of subscribers who've been with me for a while. I actually have to answer all of my comments from like many videos ago, so I'm sorry like if I haven't responded yet. I usually like when I read it, I'll heart it and then I will go back and respond, but I've been really bad at that, so I apologize. I'm gonna start answering my comments more often. So thank you for the support. It's really hot. I think I'm gonna pop into Starbucks and grab a drink. Do you guys see my zit? It just won't go away. It's been like 2 weeks. It's like in love with my forehead. My drink is already melting. I got a grande coffee frap with soy and whipped cream. I'm gonna go wash my hands. We are at the Red Rock food court. I got Impossible burgers. I'm just waiting on them.
Can you identify it?
I'm not taking a picture. It always does that when I do it for Instagram, and it's like, it looks like I'm eating 2 plates.
You know the Ben & Jerry's Crazy Yard website?
Yeah.
As soon as it opens, it like flashes black and white, make it seem less scary. But apparently, it's actually like a place. It is a legit place. You can go to Vermont and go to the Ben & Jerry's museum, because I would love to do that.
Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I am in the car waiting to pick up Dominique from school. I don't think I vlogged after dinner last night. So I took Dominique to school this morning and I came home and I passed out. And then I did a little bit of work and then went to the grocery store, and then now I'm picking her up. So not such a productive day. I got Starbucks. This is a venti iced coffee with classic and soy. I usually get a Trenta, but I think this is enough because it's probably gonna melt anyway. And I got Dominique a creamy peanut butter think bar. Just for now. I'm gonna make her pasta for lunch. And this week I want to go to the Las Vegas farm, which is an animal rescue for farm animals, and I've never been there. I follow them on Instagram. I think it's great what they do. I want to visit the animals, and they also have like a farmer's market, so that should be fun. All right, I'm gonna wait for Dominique. I think she gets out in like 2 minutes.
Got banana cream something.
She said it tastes like Laffy Taffy.
Yeah.
I get plain tart with almonds. She didn't want toppings today.
I never get toppings.
You do sometimes.
I get a cherry.
Oh yeah, cherries. Yep, it's 2:24 a.m. and I have to wake up at 7. But I had coffee and I did a full face of makeup. I just wanted to film a vlog, like to update you on upcoming videos. My hair is pinned like this because when I do my makeup, it gets all over my hair, like foundation gets all over my hair, and some of it actually got in my hair, so I have to wipe it and then straighten it. So I took a nap earlier in the evening, like around 5 for a couple hours, so that's why I'm awake. So I'm doing laundry. I'm gonna fold this, and I have one in the wash right now. This is what my vanity looks like after I do my makeup. I have makeup in these drawers. I know I have to fix all this, and I wanted to do a DIY project of mint green circles that match this, like on the wall. So I just decluttered, and then I put everything in this bag, and I'm going to give this away to a subscriber who's been with me for a long time, who lives in the U.S. So I just wanted to send this to her if she can make any use of it, and I'm gonna sanitize it before I send it off. I picked up this board a while back from Marshall's, and I'm gonna start putting it like in my backgrounds, like when I film like beauty type videos. So that's what's going on over there. Let me haul a few things I picked up this week. Okay, my energy is diminishing. So I've been taking Dominique out for like back to school shopping, clothes, school supplies, stuff like that, and I pick up a few things on the way. So at Target, I found this for myself. It's a dry erase weekly board. I like that they're separated by day, and I want to pre-plan my videos and then write them down here and put this in front of my desk. And this comes with a marker and a magnet. It's very easy to hang. It has 2 holes in the back. And this was $7.99. Dominique started high school last week, and my boyfriend asked me, how do you feel about that? And I don't think I had processed it. And it's like slowly like freaking me out. Like she's going to graduate high school in 4 years. She turns 14 in October, and I can't believe like time has flown by. So at H&M she got black clothes, and then I found this dress in their sale section. It's a maxi, and it has a fairly big slit on the right. Fitting rooms are open now, but I tried it on over my clothes in front of the mirror, and they only had one. This isn't a large. I think a medium would have fit me better. But it's a nice loose fit and comfortable. So this was originally $14.99, and then it was marked to $8.99. And the cashier asked me if I was a member, and she's like, you should sign up so you can get 10% off. So yeah, I signed up with an email, and I got 10% off of this purchase. And I got this skirt. It's periwinkle blue, it's pleated, it fits great. This is their divided line, and this is in a US 10, and I have gained weight since quarantine. Usually I'm a 6'8", and this is a 10. But it fits, it has no stretch. Originally this was $24.99, and it was 50% off. So I got it for 50% off plus another 10%, so that's cool. And then Dominique got a Death Note poster at the store called Brad's Collectibles. It's a really cool store. It has a bunch of Funkos, like walls of Funkos, mangas, posters, like a lot of novelty stuff. And I was at the register and I saw a bunch of pins, but this one I really wanted. Got this Exorcist pin. They had one with how Linda Blair really looked in the movie. I didn't like it. So these were 99 cents, so I got 2 of them. I'm gonna save one as a future gift or giveaway. So I didn't know that Ross had like higher end makeup. They just had them like out, but then they had like the plastic alarm thingy over it. So I found a Kat Von D Edge concealer brush, and it was $5.99. So right now I'm editing on my old computer, and my boyfriend did some updates, so it went back to the old iMovie, the older version of iMovie, so I can't add like insert videos because I've done that before. I just like, I'll swatch and I add an insert video. That's why I haven't done that lately. I got a new computer a couple months ago, and I still have to learn the newer version of iMovie, and I have 2 videos stuck in there until I learn that version. So hopefully I can figure that out soon so I can edit those videos. I think I'm going to use this like for contouring my nose. Actually, that'd be perfect for it. It has like a great edge on it. And I went to Marshall to look for giveaway stuff. Found a MAC lipstick in 930 Brick Through. I don't think I have a packaging that's matte like this, because usually they're shiny. The color is like super gorgeous. It's like a mauve terracotta. I don't know how to describe it. That's really nice. This was $7.99. Then the last items are from Ulta. So I use this Morphe brush like every day. It's great to pack on eyeshadow on the lid. This is the Small Chisel Fluff Brush M210, and it's amazing. And I needed to back up because I got sick of like washing it all the time. It's really good. And this was $5. And Morphe, you can use the $3.50 off coupon at Ulta. It's like $3.50 off if you spend $15 or more. And then I got a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. This is from their new collection. I think there's like 3 or 4 shades. And I did get a green one for you guys. One that I have that I really like for the next giveaway. This is in Pledge Class. That's so pretty. I wanted this as a topper. So pretty. And these were $6. You can use the Ulta coupon on Colourpop as well. And then I got the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. I've used this before. I got it in 120 medium and it's great. I think these are $9.99 and then I used my coupon, so a couple bucks off. So I don't know if KKW Beauty is like discontinuing at Ulta. I have no idea. There's a bunch of stuff that's marked down 75% off. This is Kim Kardashian's beauty line. I think she changed her name, so maybe she's discontinuing at Ulta. I have no idea. I think since the divorce she changed some of her company names. They were marked $18 and marked down to $4.50 each. This one is in pink 3 and it's just in the regular packaging without her face. It's like a darker pink. It's actually really creamy. And then this one is, oh, it does say cream lipstick. And this one is in Candy Apple Red. Her face is on this packaging. That's really nice. It's just a classic red. The packaging is just acrylic. It kind of reminds me of Flower Beauty, but at a higher end price point. Yeah, that's my beauty haul. And I wanted to show you this dress I got from eBay. It's totally 60s mod. I love it. I think I got this for like under $20 plus shipping. I'm going to have to crop it, probably like a foot. So it'll be like a cute like loose shift dress. And let me show you the stuff that's gonna be in my upcoming videos. So this is my filming clothing rack. So I separated everything and it's organized into what I'm gonna film this week. So this is gonna be my vintage haul, and then this is my thrift haul. So basically this is everything I thrifted post quarantine. I just stuck it all together because I wasn't filming really last year. This is cumulative, like a cumulative thrift haul. And then, oh, that stuff I'm gonna sell at Zia. So I'm gonna do like a weekly Dollar Tree haul, and everything's in here, even this bag's from there. I just posted on Instagram these movies. This is all horror from Dollar Tree. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at Alexandria Vaun. I usually update you guys in my stories like frequently. I wanted to do a Dollar Tree horror basket. So I also got 2 carries, but these are the movies that are going to be in it. And then like all the stuff. And yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. So I'm going to film this DIY. And then I'll give this basket away like around Halloween time. Now it's 3:07 and my energy went. Also, I forgot that I still have to film my cumulative Sephora haul. I know, like, since I came back to YouTube, I've just been trying to catch up with stuff that I wanted to show you guys. So that is it for this vlog. Basically, I was just trying to do a catch up, and hopefully my next vlogs will be more exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.